How to make sunset whistle mocktail. First of all, you will take a shaker glass and add lots of ice cube. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice. Then you have to pour 30 ml of orange crush and pour 180 ml of orange juice. You have to add some more ice cube for this mocktail, and you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Shake all the ingredients properly. This is the 2-layer based mocktail. Then take a hurricane glass. The capacity of hurricane glass is 450 ml. Then you pour all the mixing ingredients into the hurricane glass. See this way. Then you can garnish with orange slices and simply top up with pomegranate juice. See, the fancy mocktail is ready. You can try. Sunset whistle mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video.